Hey guys, Joshua here. I got 3 charts of Sacramento, Placer, and El Dorado County data I'd like to share with you so we can all get a sense of where the market is and potentially line up some things for the future to see where it could be headed. So hop on my screen right here. This is Sacramento County, and you can see we got the chart right here, and we got the percentages of change down here. And right here, this first column is the year over year. And the for sales year over year is up 24.7%. The solds are down 2%. And the pendings for the year over year are down 6.5%. Now, month over month, we have seen the for sale 3.5% increase. The solds have gone down 1.4%. And the pendings have increased 15.7%. Now, it's going to be interesting for Sacramento County to see the data for the next 2 months, to see these pendings translate into solds, and see where the for sales are at. We'll get to see the market ebb and flow as it normally does. It's going to be interesting to see for the next couple of months. The El Dorado County right here, not a lot of volume, you can tell. This chart's different. For the year over year, we are down 11.8%. We are down 9.8% for the solds, and then for the pendings we are down 27.7% year over year. Now for the month over month, we are down 9.9% for sales, solds 11.1%, and pendings 6.6%. Now it's going to be interesting too to see how this shapes out for the remainder of the winter months, to see if we drop lower or become stagnant. I think there might be some good opportunities lying, some gems. There's gems everywhere, but El Dorado County specifically might be a good opportunity. Let's go to Placer County. You see a lot more volume here in Placer County. And year over year, we are down 15.4% for the homes for sale. We are down 7.2% for the homes sold. And we are down 12.9% for their pendings year over year. Now for month over month, we are seeing a lot of green. We are up 3.1% for the for sales. We have seen the solds gone up 1.3% and 3% for the pendings. Now this is also going to be interesting to see how the months of data come in and see these pendings translate into solds, and see if we start to see any big movements as far as the year over years. And if we do, well, I'll get into that another time. So I have this quick, I wanted to share with you guys this. So the iBuyer sales soared 123%. So an iBuyer, what is iBuyer? iBuyer, or Zillow analysis shows that home sales for the top 4 iBuying companies more than doubled in California this past spring. Jumping 123%. Now who's an iBuyer? This is Opendoor, Redfin, OfferPad, Zillow. These are iBuyers, as well as other little investment companies that you may or may not have seen. Now, what an iBuyer does is a homeowner who wishes to sell and has got some solicited emails from an iBuyer, such as Zillow, Redfin, Opendoor, that I said, will upload a description and a couple of pictures and a video of their house, and they will get a rough offer within a couple of days to a week based on their pricing algorithms. And then the iBuyer will go ahead and send over an inspector to the home, and will check to see what needs to be done as far as repairs, and calculate in all of the service fees that they will be charging to the homeowner for their offer. And then if things progress forward, the iBuyer will then spruce up, fix up the property, and then list it back on the market, or put it on the market within a few weeks to a few months, depending on the repairs that need to be done. So the advantages to working with an iBuyer for the sale of your home is speed and convenience. You will have 0 days on the market. Everything happens off market. You'll be able to close in 14 days or more. No showings, no open houses, a flexible flexible closing date, as well as a flexible moving date. Now, some of the disadvantages I got mapped out here is the iBuyer. So the iBuyer will decide exactly how much they're going to charge the homeowner for the repairs, as well as their servicing and convenience fees will add up to 9 to 15% that they will charge. And then you have the standard 3% closing, which you can see on the left right here. This is what you'll net for that figure, and it is substantially less than on the right with a traditional agent. The homeowner will get to decide, with the agent's guidance, on exactly what to repair for the house. And the agent will then charge the standard 4 to 6%. And of course, you'll have the 3% closing costs, which will net the seller in both circumstances significantly more money in the seller's pocket. So my take is, will iBuyer still be around for the foreseeable future? Of course they will. These are investment companies with a lot of dollars to spend, and they got a huge into the marketplace without having to be actual on market to buy these properties. They're able to, think of an individual investor who buys a property from their friend, right? Fixes it up and then sells it to the marketplace. That's exactly what these big companies are doing. They'll buy your property, fix it up, and go ahead and put it onto the marketplace. They'll be around for quite some time. So my take is to obviously get a couple of quotes from an iBuyer, Zillow, Redfin, Opendoor, OfferPad, or some of these other little smaller companies, and then talk to a couple of agents, 1 or 2 agents, see what they can do for you, see if we can, which I know we can, at least on my side, offer a lot of these amenities to the homeowner, and just see the difference, see what could happen. And if you got any more real estate questions at all, feel free to call me 916-385-8496 or send me an email, joshua@alexismcgeegroup.com. Always no obligations. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon.